Hello guys! In today's video, we are going to present you the top 5 best baby strollers available on the market. We made decisions our personal preference and solidly based on their prices, quality, durability, and repetition of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for upcoming video notifications. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. UPPAbaby VISTA V2 Stroller. This stroller is great for growing families. A newborn child can sit in the bassinet. A 3-month-old gets the toddler seat, and an older child can ride along on the kickboard accessory. Once your little ones start getting a bit older, you can purchase an additional toddler seat or snag a second bassinet for those early days if you have a set of twins. It's easy to install a combination of 2 bassinets, 2 toddler seats, or 1 of each, depending on what works best for your family. Plus, you can even turn this stroller into a travel system when you purchase one of the compatible car seats, like the Mesa. According to our testers, the updated version of this perennial favorite now features even better maneuverability considering its large size thanks to its great functioning tires and excellent suspension for going over bumpy terrain. It also has a roomier toddler seat, dedicated rain shield storage, an extendable canopy, and a no-rethread harness, which our lab experts described as a big deal since it has readjusting straps, so much easier when you don't have to manually route the harness through the back of the seat. Take note that the stroller itself takes up a bit of space. For a more compact option, try the UPPAbaby Mini Stroller. At just 14.5 pounds, our lab experts found it to be lightweight and great on rougher terrains. Plus, the stroller's one-hand fold was easy to manipulate. Weight limit, 50 pounds for toddler seat, 2 pounds for bassinet, 35 pounds for additional toddler seat and car seat, and 55 pounds for the kickstand. Ages 0 months and up for bassinet, 3 months and up for toddler seat. Folded dimensions 17.3 x 25.7 x 33.3 inches. Unfolded dimensions 36 x 25.7 x 39.5 inches. Number 2. Dunet Infin car seat and latch base. The Doona stroller is impressively innovative. The brand claims it can transform from car seat to stroller in seconds, which we confirmed in our test. Not only do our testers report that they do this transformation one-handed, but they can easily do so with a child still in the car seat since it's such a seamless process. By simply pressing a lever on the back of the seat while holding the front wheel in place with your foot, you'll be able to rotate the seat forward until the wheels lock into place as a car seat. The handle can be retracted with a button on the bar and by squeezing the sides to move it back. Because of the 2-in-1 factor, parents can save space and money since they're ditching an extra product. Our experts found that you can easily maneuver this travel system stroller with one hand, making it convenient for jumping in and out of cabs, taking public transit, and traveling on a plane, especially during those first few months of life. Weight limit 35 pounds. Ages 0 months and up. Folded dimensions 26 x 17.3 x 23.6 inches. Unfolded dimensions 32.2 x 17.3 x 39 inches. Number 3. Cybex E Prime Complete Stroller. This one's a splurge, but its built-in electric motor helps you power through the roughest terrains. And when you're going downhill, the sensors in the handlebar detect this motion and provide extra control as you descend. The electronic stroller can operate at speeds up to 3.7 miles per hour for 12.5 to 28 miles, depending on how difficult the terrain is before needing to be recharged again. Our experts love that this stroller gave you the extra jolt when you needed it, meaning if your arms are starting to feel like noodles from pushing it around uphill, the electric assistance will help conserve your energy, similar to riding an electric bike. While testing, we found it to be made of good quality materials and the seat to be comfortable for your little ones. We love that the seat can be positioned forward or backward facing and has the ability to recline to be almost completely horizontal. Since the battery makes it notably heavier than other stroller options at close to 34 pounds, it's not ideal for those who have to lift and fold their stroller frequently. Weight limit 55 pounds. Ages 0 months with car seat or bassinet and up. Folded dimensions 37.4 x 23.6 x 15.8 inches. Unfolded dimensions 32.5, 36.4 x 23.6 x 38, 42.1 inches. Number 4. Baby Jogger City Mini GT2 All-Terrain Double Stroller. While testing, we found that even with the 2 seats, the City Mini was easy to fold. Each seat offers individually adjustable calf support and near-flat recline, so both your children can get comfortable. Our lab experts also appreciate the side-by-side design as it distributes weight better than a tandem stroller. The handbrake makes it easy to start and stop the stroller even while jogging. And there's a huge variety of accessories you can purchase to help customize your stroller, from glider boards to carry a third child to belly bars to keep your little bug snug. Plus, the stroller is compatible with many infant car seats, so you can easily turn it into a travel system. If you're hitting the trails with only one little one, the stroller is also offered as a single. Weight limit 50 pounds per seat. Ages 0 months and up. Folded dimensions 14.75 x 29.25 x 31.75 inches. Unfolded dimensions 40.7 x 29.25 x 42.25 inches. Number 5. BABYZEN Yoyoblo 6 Plus Stroller. Our lab experts recommend the Yoyoblo stroller for travel because it's compact and still durable. We also love that it's allowed onto airplanes, thanks to IATA International Air Transport Association approval. The newer version of this city favorite stroller features a new buckle system that is easier to snap and a secure full leather handlebar that's easier to clean. Like the original, it can conveniently be worn over the shoulder with a carrying strap. It also features a zippered back pocket to hold all your essentials you don't want accidentally falling out of the storage bin. Our experts found this stroller to have impressive maneuverability, especially since it has such small tires. Its compact fold makes it a fan favorite for those who live in big cities because of how small it collapses. Our testers also appreciated how easy it was to use and its durability and reliability. However, everything from the bassinet to the footrest are sold separately, which can start to rack up the cost. Weight limit 40 pounds. Ages 6 months and up, 0 months and up with add-on newborn pack. Folded dimensions 7.1 x 17.3 x 20.5 inches. Unfolded dimensions 33.9 x 17.3 x 41.7 inches.